Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Sujit's Chem Biotech. Today my topic is aldol condensation reaction. In this video we study the mechanism of aldol condensation reaction. Now we know in aldol condensation reaction influence of dilute base, two molecules of aldehyde or ketone containing at least one alpha H atom dimerize to form beta hydroxyaldehyde or beta hydroxyketone compound respectively. The product contains both aldehydic group as well as alcoholic group. So the product is termed as aldol. In case of aldehyde, 50% product obtained. But in case of ketone like acetone, only 2% product will obtained. And in those cases, Soxhlet apparatus is used to increase the amount of product. Now let us study when acetaldehyde undergoes aldol condensation reaction. Two molecules of acetaldehyde when reacts in presence of 15% NaOH, then at first form beta hydroxyaldehyde compound, which IUPAC name is 3-hydroxybutanol. On heating, it can form an alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde compound known as protonaldehyde or butanol. In case of acetone, when two molecules of acetone react in presence of 15% NaOH, then at first diacetone alcohol will form, which belongs to beta hydroxyketone compound. And when this product again heated to form mesithyl oxide, which belongs to alpha beta unsaturated ketone. In this video, we examine the mechanism of acetaldehyde and acetone only. In case of mechanism for acetaldehyde and ketone, we know the mechanism for aldol reaction illustrates two important characteristics of carboxyl compound. These are the acidity of alpha H atom of carboxyl compound and the tendency of the carboxyl groups to undergo nucleophilic addition reaction. The reaction proceeds through the three steps as follows. In first step of reaction, in case of acetaldehyde, at first the hydroxide ion abstract a proton from alpha carbon atom of one molecule of acetaldehyde. Now this hydroxide ion HO minus abstract this H atom of alpha carbon of acetaldehyde to form H2O and an enolate having formula H2C minus single bond C, then double bonded O, then H. This enolate gets stability through resonance and its chemical structure is H2C, single bond C, single bond O minus, double bond C, single bond O minus, then single bond H. This is known as resonance stabilized enolate anion. And in first step, this resonance stabilized enolate anion is formed. Now in this reaction, forward step is not favorable one because acidity of acetaldehyde is less. So forward step is less favorable and backward step is more favorable. And forward step is very slow in nature and it follows the RDS, which is full form rate determining step. In second step, the produced enolate anion by ion, which acts as carbanion nucleophile, attacks the carboxyl carbon atom of a second acetaldehyde molecule to form alkoxide ion. Now, this is the second molecule of acetaldehyde CH3CHO, and this is the enolate anion. This enolate anion, the negative charge behind carbon atom, so it is called carbanion. This carbanion attacks the carbonyl carbon atom of second molecule of acetaldehyde to form an alkoxide ion. Now the formation of alkoxide ion is favorable one, and second step reaction is favorable, and the structure of alkoxide ion is H3C single bond CH single bond O minus then CH2CHO. This is structure of alkoxide ion. In third step, the alkoxide ion abstracts a proton from H2O molecule to form aldol. Now this alkoxide ion O minus attacks the H plus of water to form hydroxyl anion and form aldol. The structure of aldol is H3C single bond CH OH single bond CH2 single bond CHO plus hydroxyl anion HO minus. That's the products of aldol. This is the mechanism how acetaldehyde can form aldol. Now, in presence of 15% NaOH, this aldol undergoes dehydration reaction to form H3C single bond CH double bond CH single bond CHO, whose name is 2-butenal. 2-butenal. This is the mechanism of acetaldehyde, how acetaldehyde can form aldol. Now next one, the mechanism of acetone. In first step, when acetone involves in aldol condensation reaction, the hydroxide ion abstracts a proton from the alpha carbon atom of one molecule of acetone to give a resonance stabilized enolate anion. Now this H minus anion attracts H plus ion from acetone, which contain an alpha hydrogen atom, to form H2O and resonance stabilized enolate anion. The structure of enolate anion is H2C negative single bond C double bonded O then single bond CH3. Now this enolate is much more stable and stability obtained by resonance, and its chemical structure is H2C single bond C then single bond O minus H2C double bond C single bond O minus single bond CH3. This is the structure of resonance stabilized enolate anion. And the formation of enolate anion is very fast in nature, because due to hyperconjugate H atom, enolate gets stability. In second step, the stable enolate anion acts as a carbanion nucleophile and attacks very slowly with the carbyl carbon atom of a second molecule of acetone. This step follows rate determining step. Why this step follows in slow in nature? Due to less electrophilic nature of carbyl carbon in acetone molecule, this reaction is slow in nature, as well as this enolate is more stable one. For this reason, the forward reaction is not favorable one. Now, when this enolate anion attacks the carbyl carbon of acetone molecule to form an alkoxide anion, the structure of alkoxide anion is H3C single bond C single bond O minus single bond CH3 single bond CH2 single bond C then double bonded O then CH3. This is the structure of alkoxide anion. In third step, the alkoxide anion abstract a proton from water to form aldol. Now the structure of alkoxide ion is that, and this O minus attacks the H of the water and release the hydroxyl anion to form the most desirable aldol. The structure of aldol is H3C, single bond C, single bond CH3, single bond OH, single bond CH2, single bond C, double bonded O, single bond CH3. This is aldol. The name of product is diacetone alcohol, which belongs to beta hydroxyketone compound. Thus, the aldol was formed from acetone via aldol condensation reaction. This mechanism is very much important in exam. Now, in presence of alkali, dilute alkali, this aldol eliminates one molecules of water to form alpha beta unsaturated ketone compound. The structure of alpha beta unsaturated ketone is that. Then, and structure of alpha beta unsaturated ketone is that which name is mesithyl oxide. This is the video by which I explain the mechanism of aldol condensation reaction for acetaldehyde and acetone. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and like, share, comments on this video. Again, thanks to all to watch my channel to see how aldol condensation reaction takes place with acetaldehyde and acetone. Thank you everybody.